Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I've been off YouTube now for well over a month. So anyway, I'm back. I thought I would jump on and show you my monthly subscription boxes that I got from Twinkle Claws. As I said, I wasn't on last month, so I didn't show you April's, so I thought that I would show you April and May in this video. So comes in this cute box with her sticker. So when it comes to tissue paper, there was some sweets in there, but they've long gone. So these are £10, and that is including your postage, which I think is brilliant. So firstly, we have this glitter, which is a fine neon pink. I'm not sure, yeah, you can. But it's like a purple, would you call it purple? Yeah, there's like a purple iridescent, I mean it's a pink neon glitter, clearly. But I mean the iridescence of it is like kind of purpley. Very pretty. And then we have a fine silver. The bog standard silver, and some purple flakes, and flubber, which is a sneak peek. This is really pretty, love that. And April exclusive mix. This is really, really pretty. Love that one a lot. And then we've got some white striping tape. And then two little pots. So we have colour shifting shards in number 1. This is so pretty, it's like a purple and then it shifts to a blue. I still haven't done my nails. I haven't done my nails for probably coming on 2 months now. Yellow flowers. These are quite pretty. Fimo, does it say Fimo on it? No, but they're Fimo pieces. Okay, so that, let me just move that over. That is April. And then we have May. Oh, it always comes with a little note inside. Thank you very much for ordering our May monthly box. We hope you love everything inside and look forward to seeing your creations. So it's just telling you, like, I don't read it when I first get it because I just don't. Right. So we have orange soda. This is very pretty. Then we have a fine limoncello. A limoncello. Orange. Yellow. Then we have some glow-in-the-dark hexagons. Oops. Look like that. We have a Tamagotchi. This is really pretty. I've seen it every time I go onto the website. I just I never got it, but I'm so glad that it's in this monthly box. It's very, very pretty. It has like light pink stars, like hollow, and then the cutout, and there's like a mint green, and then some neon pink and yellow stars. Very pretty. We have fairy tears. Love that. And we have May exclusive mix 2. This is really, really pretty. Love this one. It's got lots of stars in it. And we have Unicorn Flakes 12. Now I think I've got all of them apart from 11, so I will be ordering that one. These just I love so much. Micro Mylar, they are stunning, absolutely stunning. And then lastly we have this May exclusive mix 1, which come in this 10-gram pot. Look at that. It is so pretty. Let me oh, I thought there were stars in it. It's not. It's just a multi-cut glitter. Very, very pretty. So that is it for today's video. I will leave the link to Twinkle Claws down below. You can find them on Instagram. Yeah, on Instagram. I'll also leave the website so you can just click on it. She has some really, really lovely things on there. I've got quite a lot of it now, but I do love these monthly boxes. Anyway, so I've got 3 of these purple flakes already. I will put that in a giveaway. Fine silver will go in a giveaway because I don't use that. And more likely the limoncello. Limon. Because I've got neon, a fine neon yellow. But apart from that, I don't have any others, which is great. Love. Right, that is it. Thank you for sticking by me these past, I don't know how many weeks it's been. 5 weeks, 6 weeks. Really appreciate you all. Thank you for the lovely messages on Instagram. So yeah, hope you're all doing well. Let me know what you've been up to. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. Please continue to take good care of yourselves, and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye. Hopefully next video I'll have some nails on. Bye.